going to make a flying seagull out of this MDF hardwood here. So I'll start off some basic designs. You can see my progression. And then trying to get the wing shape was a bit tricky. Getting there, and eventually I'm going to settle on this one, I think. It's basically a finger. Make the tip a little bit pointy. And then I'll fold it over, PVC glue, and be done. This is probably not going to make any sense, but I've drawn on the paper and I'm going to cut it out and use it as a template and see how it looks. So there's my wing. That's not too bad. So I'm going to stick both sides together with some PVC glue. The other side on. Now I'm going to find something heavy to squash it down. And that's why you do this stuff in the kitchen, because you've got all the tools you need. You can see I've added a weight to the base there because it was floating up a bit too high. Painted the eye and the beak with nail varnish, and I've left the stick on because I couldn't be bothered to peel it off. I put a U clip for the string to hold the centre part up and the wings on both sides. The hole goes straight through these two little bolts here, but they don't really show. I've also screwed a hinge onto here for the same place on both sides so the wings stay the same. And I did attempt to spray paint it, it didn't work very well. I think that would have to be painted a few times, but since it's underneath you don't really see it. I did put a bit of elasticated string here as well, and thread it through this little hole here so that there's a bit more support. Just put this string through the hole here, and it's elasticated so it'll go bounce up and down a little bit. 70 to 80 centimeters each piece of string, and I put a loop in the top and another U-clip